What is spot trading? Spot trading involves buying and selling financial cryptocurrencies for immediate delivery. How to reach the spot trading section? Navigate to spot trading. From the main menu, hover over Trade. Click on Spot to access the spot trading interface. Exploring the EXOLO spot trading interface. Trading layouts. EXOLO offers two trading layouts, standard and professional. You can switch between these layouts based on your preference and trading experience. Let's continue on the standard mode. Available pairs. On the right side of the interface, you will see a list of available trading pairs. You can select the pair you wish to trade from this list. Order book and live price. On the left side, you can view the order book, which displays the buy and sell orders in real time. The live price of the selected pair is also shown here. Chart and technical analysis. Center of the interface. The chart area is located in the center. Here, you can see the price movements of the selected trading pair. Candlesticks. The chart uses candlesticks to represent price changes over different time frames. Each candlestick displays the opening, closing, high, and low prices for a specific period. Understanding candlesticks. Body. The thicker part of the candlestick shows the opening and closing prices. Green body indicates that the closing price was higher than the opening price, bullish. Red body indicates that the closing price was lower than the opening price, bearish. Shadows, or wicks. The thin lines above and below the body show the high and low prices during the time frame. Time frame. You can adjust the time frame of the chart to view price changes over different periods, e.g., 1 minute, 60 minutes, 1 day. Placing orders. Order types. At the bottom of the interface, you can place orders to buy or sell the selected trading pair. There are 3 types of orders you can use. 1. Limit order. An order to buy or sell at a specific price or better. This type of order is not executed immediately but waits until the market price reaches the specified limit price. 2. Market order. An order to buy or sell immediately at the current market price. This type of order is executed instantly according to the order book. 3. Stop limit order. An order that becomes a limit order once a specified stop price is reached. Let's do a trade by executing a market order. Amount. Enter the amount of the asset you wish to buy or sell. You can specify this amount either in the coin's value or in USDT. Buy Sell button. After entering the amount, click the Buy or Sell button to execute the order. Click on Confirm. History. You can see the trades you did in the Order History tab here. Spot trading on EXOLO is a straightforward process that allows you to trade cryptocurrencies in real time. By understanding the trading interface, candlestick charts, and different order types, you can effectively manage your trades and take advantage of market opportunities. Always ensure to monitor the market conditions and use appropriate risk management strategies while trading. By following this guide, you can start trading on spot in EXOLO with confidence. That's how simple it is. That's it! You are all set to start using EXOLO Exchange. Feel free to reach out our support team.
Secure your crypto journey with EXOLO.